Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some pepper steak. I have the beef that I already cut thinly, but I'm going to show you guys as I continue to slice it. Alright, like this. So when I finish with this, I will be showing you guys how I season it up and everything, so stay tuned. So I'm gonna season up this beef. I have some pepper flakes, I have cayenne pepper, ketchup, all-purpose season, and some sugar. All right, and guys, every time that I use any spicy thing that I throw out, it is make I get the allergies is raised. I'm sorry, I trouble with bad allergies. So if you hear a sneezing, it's not cold I have, it's just the spice. Alright, so I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna set it aside. Alright, then I'm gonna come back with the rest of the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. And this season this up good. And I must let you know that I washed this seasoning with some vinegar and salt. Alright, I mean, oh my god, I'm sorry, I washed the beef with vinegar and salt. I'm sorry, god, I think by now you guys should know. Alright, okay, that is it. So I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a little 10 to 15 minutes, and then I will be back. Alright, stay tuned. Sorry again. Okay, so after marinating the beef for about an hour, I have here now some carrots, bell pepper, red and white onions, garlic. I have some Mari pepper, I have some sugar, ginger powder, honey. I have some soya sauce and some Chinese sauce all in one container. I have some salt and some complete seasoning into here. Also 1 tablespoon of corn starch. All right, I'm gonna mix this with some water. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of water into this. So I'm gonna add half of each of this into this cornstarch mix. All right, some of the honey. I'm not gonna pour all. Some ginger powder. All right, and I'm gonna mix it. You could use a whisk into this. All right, first I'm going to start by adding some oil into this wok, and then I'm going to start frying the beef first, and then we will proceed from there. All right, so stay tuned. Also, some Brussels sprouts I will be adding into this stir fry today. So I have the frying pan on the fire. So the oil is hot. So I'm gonna start frying up this. So I'm gonna let it fry up for a little, for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients in it while it's frying. All right, so stay tuned. So as you can see, this brings a lot of liquid. I didn't put any liquid into this, so I'm gonna let this boil up until it get tender. All right, so anyway, while it's boiling up like this, I'm gonna add some the Chinese sauce and the soya sauce. I'm gonna put all right. I'm gonna add the ginger powder. I'm gonna add some sugar. Alright. So I'm gonna let this boil until it started to fry. Alright, so all the liquid gonna be out. I'm gonna cover this down, and before I do so, guys, so I'm gonna cover this down, and then I'll be back. So now that this is finished, I'm gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna start frying up the bell pepper and the other stuff. Alright, stay tuned. So now the oil hot, I'm gonna start by frying the garlic, onion, and then I'll add this Brussels sprouts, the bell pepper, right, yeah. I'm gonna add the beef right back into the same. So I just put some stripped carrots into this. Ooh. So this is what it look like when it's finished. Pepper steaks with some Brussels sprouts carrots, bell pepper, red and white onion. Alright, hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one. Please don't skip the ads. Thanks to all those who subscribe. For all the new viewers, welcome to my channel. Please press the bell so that you will be notified whenever I post. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one. This can be a nice Valentine dinner. Your choice.